Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the battlefield. That is crypto. The financial market that never sleeps. The market where you cannot be caught flat-footed or you will be put on your ass. For those of you that are in the whale crew, you know that we run a 2-account trading strategy. So we're going to talk about this for a moment. In my personal opinion, it is a necessity to run 2 accounts. Here is why. When we look at larger time frames, we'll start with the weekly. For example, we have Heikenaishi candles, of course. We have a little doji candle. Many would tell you that a doji is a reversal. We've had a lot of green. We are in the sell area, like they said, sell in May, walk away. Well, May has passed, but it might not be too late. So as we see with our larger time frames, on the 4 hourly, we've had this bearish divergence that has been nailing the market. Actually, on every single one. Here, look. First divergence. Boom. Confirmed. Dropped. Second divergence. Confirmed. Dropped. Third divergence. Confirmed. Dropped. So on the first account, the account that would be for longer term plays, we're talking low leverage shorts. And that's pretty much it. But what happens when we zoom in? Well, when we zoom in, for example, on the 15-minute, this is when your second account comes into play, your scalping account. This is not the account where you are sleeping on trades. This is the account where you are trading when you are active. You are trading the scalps. Whether it goes up or down $100, $50, $200, you get in, get out. You should not be sleeping on your scalp account, or else you'll get put on your ass. So let's take a look-see here. Well, even on the 15-minute, we have a divergence right here, confirmed. Boom. On this one, it came down at first from 79.20 to 78.60s, and then it dropped a hell of a lot more. Now down here, we have a bullish divergence on the 15-minute. It confirms. So you would have entered in the low 7,500s. Currently, it's at 7,600s. She has a little more room to go up, maybe a little bit more, but I'd be looking to exit. I just had a long that we entered in low 7,500s. I actually just exited it. She might have a little more room, but this is not. It's identify your environment. Remember, each candle's in 15-minute increments. So when I'm entering a trade on the 15-minute, I'm not looking to hold it for days. I'm looking to get out of it in 15-minute increments. So maybe in an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours tops, depending on the situation. We had a long call right from the video last night. We were long. We were trading off of the 15-minute. It was not trade and go to sleep. It was take what the market gives you on the second account. So if we go to the 4 hour, for example, with Ripple, first divergence on the 4 hour, boom, confirms. drops. And now let's see how long would you have been holding this trade? Each candle's 4 hours. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 4. Boom. Next divergence. Confirms at 42 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 40 hours. Doesn't look like she's done yet. So remember, make sure. Well, I'm not going to tell you what to do. But what I do is I have at least 2 accounts. Actually, all you need is 2. For example, on my main account, my long account, where I put in my long orders, I have the Bitcoin low leverage short and the Ripple low leverage short. On the 15-minute, that's where you would have the long on the 15 on Bitcoin, long on the 15 on XRP. That's it. And just by having 2 separate accounts, you will find that you will have no problem entering and exiting trades for the scalping. You won't be sitting there. Your greed won't force you to hold a trade, even when the charts are telling you one thing, but your greed is telling you to hold because you just want more. So, when you make an account with Bybit or whatever exchange you're using, you should be making 2. Ooh, would you look at this? We are on the daily. Looking at the daily. Let me clear this up a little bit. The Bitcoin daily. Boom, divergence. And it's looks like it's honestly just getting started. This actually looks like it's going lower. We were keeping an eye on this curve right here. For those of you that remember we said, okay, it might be stopping, but guess what? It's not. Now she's got more room to go. Bitcoin's going lower. I think it's going lower. Yep. More room. How low it will go, I do not know. It could go to 7. It could go in the 6s, but on the larger time frames, I mean, this daily is confirming that we got more to go. So I'm not going to tell you what to do. I know what I'm doing. I know what my people are doing. Inquiring minds want to know. So identify your environment. Make sure you are sticking to the technique of your time frame. If you're trading on the 5-minute or the 15-minute, you got to be trading on within those time frames. If I'm entering a trade on the 15-minute, then I'm not going to look to stay in a trade for more than a couple hours. If you're trading the 4-hour, then remember, you're looking at trades over days. If you're on days, same thing, over days. Set it and forget it. Use good leverage and stack your crypto. And while it's dropping, while everyone else is flopping and groping, you're having the time of your life. So remember the time frames. And let's keep kicking ass. Scroll down if you want to join Market Cypher. Scroll down if you want to join the Whale Crew to make sure that you are profiting off of whatever is happening, whether it's going up, especially if it's going down. If you are missing out on short opportunities, it's a lot worse than missing out on longs, because chances are you're holding crypto and all of your tide, when the tide is coming back, all of your coins are dropping. You don't want to miss out on that value. You want to withhold that value. Okay? Peace.